up, what up, what up? Thought you went south on a brother, man.
What's happening?
So, I guess Monty was right. He said he saw you hugging up on some sister fine as she wanna be. Hey, so what's up with that, man?
Chasing women will prolong the chaos. When you're searching for order, you need to rid yourself of all these distractions. If you go with the drugs, the drinking, the porn and such, that's hard enough. But the pursuing of women is going to hold you back even more. It's almost like we glitch when it comes to women, especially when you're involved with a woman that you're attracted to.
You fat. Fat. Damn. P-H-A-T. Pretty hot and tempting.
It's biological inside of us. It's the natural nature of you to pursue a woman, and once that gene is activated inside of you, you're going to make decisions and do things that are illogical. And while you're trying to get order in your life, it is dangerous to get into that zone, because once that gene is activated inside of you, you're going to be thrown off your plan and you will stay within chaos for longer. You will break your structure. Your clarity will be disrupted. Your momentum will be halted and stopped, because you're going to do things that you didn't plan to do, but because biologically inside of you and mentally, the space you are in, vulnerable, lonely, because you've been on a ghost mode, you get that nice, tender, she's your speed, your complexion, your body and everything. You're going to think to yourself, oh, I can't let this opportunity slide.
Oh, damn! Got the breath.
I put her on such a pedestal. I put her above me, so I have to audition and prove to her.
I'm gonna hang by the bar. Put out the vibe.
Wrecking all the hard work you've just been doing for the 6 months. Do you know what I mean? You may spend money that was allocated to other things. Maybe that course you wanted to go on. Maybe that new AI app you had to pay for the subscription. Maybe a mentorship program you planned on going on. You start to allocate resources that you wanted to spend on improvement to go and spend on dating, when you haven't even got order in your life yet. You don't even have absolute clarity on what you're doing yet. You're just in the early stages. You're just starting. You don't even believe if it's possible. You don't even believe if it's actually the right way or direction you're going. That's the biggest distraction. Chasing a woman and then catching feelings for her.
BB is a good woman. I love this girl. She makes good money at the phone company. She's fine as hell.
It's easy for me to say, okay, while you're working on yourself and you're building, have this one you sleep with, have that one you sleep with. But it's a dangerous game, because eventually you're going to find one that you like and you're going to slow down. It's normal. When a man finds his girl, what do they tend to do? It's like, I've been a victim to this as well. When your friend finds a woman that he likes, you don't hear from him no more, do you? They're in the house, and in the middle of the day, in house clothes, watching Netflix and just in all day, eating pizza. It might not seem like chaos, but to a structured, HEvolving man on his journey to improve, that disruption does bring chaos and it breaks your structure. While you are seeking order, you have to be regimented. You need a routine that you will not break for anyone. You have your daily plan, your to-do list, must-do list every single day, because what you're doing is time sensitive. You've given yourself a deadline on when you want to reach that point of, okay, I have this in order, my finances in order, physically, I have that in order, mentally, spiritually, I have that in order. You have a deadline for those things. You add a woman into the process of gaining, of achieving order, it will disrupt everything and put you back 6 months. Women are not innately bad. But if you are not a weak man, but if you know to yourself, because you've done the work and the planning, you look back on your life and you realize, I'm the best when I'm on my own, when I'm on a solo mission and I have no distractions, because if I wasn't with my girl for 3 years, I'll be further down the line. You need to leave these women alone. They're not going anywhere. And once you get order in your life and you stand with your back straight and your self-image has improved and your spiritual, physical and order and structure has been implemented into your life, then, only then, you can start to look for a partner to share you with. It's too dangerous messing around with a woman. Even if you have a good woman, it brings chaos. But imagine you have the wrong woman. Jezebel, succubus. That could put you back 10 years, 20 years, let alone if you have a kid with her. I know you have urges, but while you're building and you find this girl you like, what's it going to do? You'll be drinking more. You know, we want to keep it vibrant, keep it active. Don't want her to get bored. So what does that turn into? I'm going to be clubbing. Oh, you're going on dates. So you're taking that extra money to spend on dates. Oh, I got to look a certain way. I'm going to go and buy some clothes when you've already worked out your daily uniform and what you're going to wear from day to day. Now all of a sudden your clothes aren't good enough because you have to impress this girl. Because you hold her in such high regard, you are worried about losing her and other men taking her from you. So you go to their level to make sure that you're keeping up with the Joneses, to make sure that you're on a level so she doesn't have to look other places, because you're giving it to her. Already in this video, all the things I'm saying, can you see how much energy I'm wasting on this video? Imagine the energy you're wasting on this girl. You look back on your notes 8 months later when she eventually still leaves you for that other man, the man you were worried about losing her to, and you're like, I'm behind. I've got to change my deadline. I've got to change my dates. It's going to take me longer to do what I've got to do now. Messing with a woman when you're in the building stage, when you're building your structure, while you're getting order in your life, will only prolong the chaos and make you question yourself and what you're doing. Leave these women alone until you are at a point where you have order in your life. You have more to give. Your energy is confident now. Then, only then, can you add more to your plate. Just some thoughts, my brothers. Happy evolution. I'll talk with you soon. Peace.